wild quail egg breakfast wrap, brought to you by Shalabi's. Here's how you can catch quail eggs, my friend.
We already caught him.
Where's the mom? She's coming. It'd be funny in the end of the video. The mom comes and like scoops down, attacks us.
Have you ever tried quail egg before?
I have never had quail egg. I've had quail, but not quail egg.
So you ate the mom, but you never ate the babies.
Pretty much, my friend. If you want to say it like that, you know,
Right.
I eat the mom. Let's see how it cracks. It's much tougher than a chicken egg. Oh, look at that. Okay. I've cracked 18 whole quail eggs, okay? Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my Brazilian steak rub. It's Brazilian! Shout out the Brazilians,
I was
okay?
waiting for that.
And then now we're gonna add some black salt.
Fancy.
Small twig of thyme. Now it looks like any kind of birdie. You wouldn't even know. Quail egg, pigeon egg, seagull egg. It's like manaish with the eggs. It will stick to the eggs. And Fliparu, I love you. Oh, please, 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 my friend. 1 second.
Did you make this knife?
Yes, my friends, we make the tools we need. Camping is about adjusting, adapting, and overcoming, my friend. You must adapt very quickly if you want to survive. Survival of the fittest. Quail egg omelette, my friend, on the pita bread. You know, you can roll it up and make shawarma like that. We catch the mushroom, we catch the wild pepper.
Wait, are these safe to eat?
My friend, try it out, let's find out. Bismillah. Bismillah. Tastes like egg.
It tastes exactly like a regular chicken's egg. Do we have any more eggs?
Oh no, let's go get more.